My name is Valeriy, and I've done two courses, one of them low temperature heating system design and the other one air source heat pumps. It's a future proofing of my career, and also this is where industry is moving to. So yeah, this is the future. Yeah, I think the information I received, the knowledge, it made me feel more confident, and it will help me a lot. No, I wasn't worried about anything. I must admit I've enjoyed throughout the course. Even now, when I finished it, it feels like I don't want to leave the center, because it was interesting information and just pleasant experience throughout. It's just nice to get all of the information and deal with the teacher. I enjoyed it a lot. I wouldn't say there was anything challenging during the course, because maybe because it was very interesting and a lot of information I've received. I felt like, even being a gas engineer, especially heating system design side, I felt like I was lacking some of the information, and it was just it answered lots of questions I've collected during previous years of work. The training center is very nice. There is plenty of parking, well arranged, it's clean, there's tea, fresh biscuits all the time, and the staff is nice, it's polite. Especially, I'm glad I got Simon to be my teacher, because for me, as not having English as my first language, his English was perfect to understand. You know, it was just what I needed. You know, I could grasp 100% of information he was providing. I would definitely recommend the course.